So why are we here for the press conference? We have some new and exciting products to tell you about. The first one is our Efi Jetrion 4950 LX, which is a roll-to-roll digital label printer. What's it all about? It's full LED curing. Our prior system was mercury arc curing for the CMYK and then LED curing for the white. If a lot of you may be familiar with the benefits of LED curing, which are that in terms of the lamp life, you've got over 5,000 hours versus about 1,000 hours with mercury arc. And you can do a lot more or expanded applications. So here's some shrink film. We have some chill rollers on the device so that we can do very thin films. So we've expanded our market reach. The other part of it is that we do higher speeds. So we're now able to get up to 48 meters per minute. And we have very high resolution, 720 by 720. That is the highest resolution for digital inkjet now in this space. So as I said, supports a variety of substrates. As you can see, we can get down to 2-point text now with very good clarity. So that's very impressive as you get into the pharmaceutical and the other markets. And then some of our, as we talked about, the full LED cure, the increased resolution, we still maintain the 330 millimeter width, which is important. And then we have our world-class Fiery and Fire XF RIP, and then our VDP and continuous Q. Two more products we introduced at the show this week. One of them is our combination finishing module. So continuing with what we've done to have full inline integration, we now have a lamination and varnish module that is inline that allows customers to, where they need to have another film on top to have that lamination. Also, for those people that may be starting out with shorter runs that want to then go to flexo or vice versa, you get a better chance with UV. You can have more of a glossy finish, and therefore by using a matte laminate or something, you can dull it down a little bit to have a better match. The other new product is two new lasers. We have, again, these are inline lasers, and the inline lasers we now have are a 500 watt and 1,000 watt. So that enables us to keep up with the speed of the printer. As you heard before, I mentioned that the 4950 LX goes much faster. These higher powered lasers are going to enable us to keep up with the print speed and not slow the process down. Again, all of this is in line, which is extremely critical. One operator, and if you please, if you have a chance, please stop by the booth. You'll see in the front there's the print station, the lamination and varnish module, as well as the laser, and you can have one operator. So here's your base unit. You can see that you'll see in the middle is the print station. On the left, you'll see the unwind, and on the right-hand side, the rewind. So that's the basic system. And then here would be a fully configured system. So you start out on the left with the unwind. An important note with the 4950 LX, at the show we're showing CMYK, but we will be adding white mid-year of 2014. So you have your printer, you have a buffer, varnish and lamination, laser, the scrapper, slitter, winder, and the turret. So a full inline finishing system.